Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make pickled Chinese cabbage. Now Chinese cabbage is become more sweet than usual, so please try it. Today's ingredients are quarter of Chinese cabbage, 5 grams of kelp, yuzu if you have, and 1 chili. The seasoning is 3% salt by weight of Chinese cabbage.
Chinese cabbage is pickled in a bag like this one. Let's get started.
First, cut the konbu thin stripe. If you have yuzu, peel the yellow part of yuzu and cut into thin stripe. Deseed the chili and cut into slices. Next, I'll prepare the Chinese cabbage.
Today's amount of salt is 3% of the weight of the Chinese cabbage, so please measure the weight of it.
Rub salt into Chinese cabbage. Make sure to get the salt between the leaves as well.
Then put in your Chinese cabbage in Ziplock bag.
Add the kelp and chili and peel of yuzu. And close the bag, letting the air out. When water comes out of the Chinese cabbage, move it up and down several times over the course of 2 days. Refrigerate for 2 days. 2 days have passed. The Chinese cabbage become like this. Then cut and serve. It's a very simple and easy to make but nice accompaniment, so please try it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next video. Bye.